Hi guys, I am Wana from the Midnight Mouse and I return with a new unboxing. And here I have my two heads of Little Keiko Doll. I just ordered those about 2 months ago and they arrived pretty fast. It was a short pre-order on Lula Doll. So I couldn't resist those. You'll see why. They're so cute. And these are big-headed dolls. They represent the children and they have big heads such as Blythe, but better because it's resin. They were also having bodies available for these dolls, but I decided to experiment a bit with the bodies and just order the heads for now. These boxes are so beautiful. Okay. These are so gorgeous. Okay, let's open them. We'll start with one. Oh, here are some accessories and a small gift. Oh, this is so sweet. They do have these keychains as well. They're available for purchase. Oh, thank you so much. They're gorgeous. And this is one of the girls. Let's see what else. Oh wow. Is this a screw thingy? Oh yeah. Oh wow. She's amazing. I do not have such small tools. Actually I do have them, but in full size, not pocket size. This is quite useful. Thank you so much. It's appreciated. We also have a pull thingy for the elastic. I broke one, so I'm more than happy to have another one. Eye putty and also some silicone caps. And these are the beautiful dolls, Violet and Iris. I have both of them. So this is Iris. And here we have some instructions as well. She comes with all these small pieces, such as the caps, the silicone thingies, and the eye sockets. Let's see. So these are the caps for the neck. There are two different sizes, I guess. And these are her eye sockets. So you can either put the usual flat on the back eyes for BJDs, or you can install this with eye putty and you can have real eyeballs that you can actually move or switch around. And this is Iris. Boy, she's big. She is big and gorgeous. I just want to paint her now. the logo felt, but notice I can put this back with just a bit of glue. So yeah, this is her inside. About the color, I do not remember exactly which was one, but might be written in here. Pink skin. She's beautiful. I love her open mouth and big eyes. Okay. And now let's open Violet. Oh, thank you so much for these beautiful gifts. So I guess here we have the same package. They came with same accessories. But Violet is the scout with a closed mouth. She has the same pink skin, and here is Violet. And again, the logo is off, but we'll fix that quite soon. So yes, these are my Iris and Violet.